Hello everyone. Today's topic is linear differential equations with constant coefficients. A differential equation is said to be linear if it's linear in the dependent variable y and its derivatives y dash, y double dash and so on. The general formula of the linear equation of order n is given by this equation, but when we use capital D in place of d by dx, then equation 1 reduces to this form, and the general solution of 1 is given by y is equals to cf, which means complementary function, plus pi, that is particular integral, which can be written as y equals to yc plus yp. Now for finding the complementary function, we take f of x is equals to 0. Now when the RHS of 1 is 0, then the equation is called homogeneous equation. Now let us see how to find the complementary function for these four cases. Okay. Now if case 1, if the roots are real and distinct means different. Now let m1, m2, m3 and up to mn be the n real and different roots of the auxiliary equation of equation 1, then its complementary function is given by y is equals to c1 e to the power m1x plus c2 e to the power m2x plus dot dot up to nth term. Now here c1, c2, cn, all these are constants. Okay. Now let us see how to find this and what is the auxiliary equation. Okay, so now let us see how to find the complementary function of this. So its auxiliary equation is given by m square minus 5m plus 6 is equals to 0. Where there is y double dash, in place of this we will use m square. Where there is y dash, in place of that we will use m, and where there is y, we will use 1. Okay, so this is the auxiliary equation of this equation. Then we will solve this. On solving, we will get its root as 2 and 3. Okay, see, m minus 2 minus 3 m minus 2 is equals to 0. So we got its root as 2 and 3. Now the roots are real and distinct, that is different, so its complementary function is given by c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 e to the power 3x. Alright, now let us see the second case, that is if the roots are real and equal. If a real root m1 is repeated r times, then its complementary function is given by this. Here the constant will go up to c1, c2 and cr, that is rth time. Okay, and x coefficient, the last coefficient of x will be r minus 1, that is 1 less than r. Okay, now let us understand the second case in a better way through an example. Okay, so its auxiliary equation is given by, this is m cube plus 2m square plus m is equals to 0. Now here we can take m common, so this becomes m square plus 2m plus 1 is equals to 0. Now this is m and this is m plus 1 whole square is equals to 0. Now we got its root as 0 and minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is repeated 2 times. Now its complementary function is given by c1 e to the power 0x plus c2 plus c3 x into e to the power minus x. Now c1 e to the power 0x, e to the power 0 is equals to 1, so this becomes c1 plus c2 plus c3x whole into e to the power minus x. Alright, now let us see the third case, that is conjugate complex roots. If the auxiliary equation of 1 has the conjugate complex roots alpha plus I beta, and alpha minus beta I, neither of them being repeated, then the complementary function is given by y is equals to e to the power alpha x whole into a into cos beta x plus b into sin beta x. Okay, the real part is taken over here and the imaginary part is taken over here. Alright, and case 4 is if the complex roots are repeated, that is, if a complex root occurs twice, then the complementary function is given by y is equals to e to the power alpha x, this is alpha, whole into c1 plus c2x cos beta x, this is the imaginary part, plus c3 plus c4x whole into sin beta x. Okay, now let us understand this with the help of an example. Now if this is the question, then its auxiliary equation is given by m to the power 4 plus 2m square plus 1 is equals to 0. Now this is m square plus 1 whole square is equals to 0. Now m square is equals to minus 1. Alright, minus 1 comma minus 1. Again, from this we will get m is equals to plus minus I comma plus minus I. So here its complementary function will be c e to the power 0x whole into c1 plus c2x cos x plus c3 plus c4x whole into sin x. Alright, we wrote this like this because here the roots are repeated. Okay, now e to the power 0 is 1 and this can be written as c1 plus c2x cos x plus c3 plus c4x sin x. Okay, so this is the answer. Whenever the RHS of the equation is 0, then that equation is called homogeneous equation. So in that case the general solution is equals to the complementary function. Okay.